Children, we can know about the British history from surveys also. Children, Britishers were very keen in conducting the surveys because they felt that the country which was to be ruled by them or which was to be administered by them should be surveyed properly. Do you know what is the meaning of survey? Inspected, to know about the country. They believed in it. So they conducted many type of surveys in the villages. Many surveys were conducted out by them to know the topography, soil quality, cropping pattern, and caste system and religion system in the villages. These type of surveys were carried out by them in the villages. They also they also carried out census operations. Children, do you know what do you mean by census operation? Census operation is also held now in our country after every 10 years. Do you know what is it? Have you ever heard about Janganna? Yes, it is census. Every government departments are given duty by the government after every 10 years in our country now also to count the people and their occupation and the ratio between genders. All these type of information is collected by the government officers, and this is known as census. That is, in Hindi it is known as Janganna. So this tradition was started by the Britishers. So census operations were also held by them after every 10 years. And other surveys were also conducted by the Britishers. These surveys were, one was botanical survey. Botanical survey is the survey which was carried out by the Britishers to know about the vegetation or plants. And zoological surveys were also carried out about them to know about the fauna. Fauna means all the animals. Archaeological surveys, the surveys which were concerned with the digging under the earth to know about the history. And anthropological surveys. Anthropological surveys are that surveys which were carried out to know about the human beings. So that were known as anthropological surveys. And forest surveys also. And these all the records and these all the surveys tell us about the history of the British time period. They ruled our country for a long period of time, and they did a great deal of writing all the things, whatever decisions were taken by them, whatever instructions were given them by them to their officials. They prepared the records, and these are the great sources to know about the history of the British India. So that was your chapter, children, and with the next chapter, for the next chapter we will meet in the next video.